Hi, this is Gilles, the radio prepper. This is a channel update. By the time you see this video, I should be in the south of France on the French Riviera, between Nice and Cannes, so pretty nice. That will be a good change of weather from what we're getting here. I'm going there for a job. So I wanted to let you know that in the next week or few weeks, I'm not sure how long I'll be gone, and I might be gone for a very long time. I'm not sure how many videos I'm going to be able to make, not as many as usual probably. I'm just going to be in a different location. So stay tuned, because I will be making videos over there, of course, and probably somewhere in the countryside, and it's going to be warmer, well, slightly anyway, so that'll be a good opportunity to do some portable operations. Also, right now I'm impatiently waiting for the QSX transceiver from QRP Labs, Hans Summers. That's going to be an excellent radio. The base version is 40 meters, 7 megahertz, but there will be a 160 to 10 meter version. So I think it's 9 bands, which is amazing and pretty darn cheap. Also, you will be able to plug in a keyboard, a USB keyboard, and use digital modes, some of which will be built in, like I think PSK31, RTTY, Whisper, Also the computer, well, you will be able to plug in your computer and without an interface, and use digital modes too. So I'm really waiting for this radio. I also just ordered a Cricket kit from the four-state QRP website, and that is a 30 meter, very extremely basic transceiver, and only $30. So that will be interesting. We'll see what I can do with this. And it's 700 milliwatts, so not a whole lot of power. Otherwise, that's pretty much it, guys. I'll still be making antennas, of course. I won't have all my tools with me over there, so again, I'm not quite sure how that's going to pan out. If I happen to stay longer, of course, I'll make trips and bring back all my radio stuff to the south. But we'll see. Have a good one.